When I first began this project, I found Opportunity Partners to work with. They are a nonprofit organization that helps disabled people find jobs. One of the jobs that you can do at their training facility is put this blow dart together. They are in charge of putting the black pieces onto the metal rod in specific spots. The setup they have now is very slow. Now they take out the pieces from the numbered yellow buckets. They then place each piece into the numbered holes. Next, they push the rod into each piece, one at a time. After all the pieces are on the rod, they lay it down on the table and compare it to the marks. All of the employees who are assigned to this job can perform it. However, it takes some a lot longer to assemble one blow dart. I hope my device can allow them to perform this job in an effective and independent way. This is the buckle box. It is made out of wood, which makes it light and easy to carry between different tables for the workers. There are also cutouts on each of the levels, which allow the pieces to slide easily onto the specific spot. It is also equipped with latches that allow it easily to be locked and unlocked. There are gaps which are wide enough so that your hands and fingers can get in to adjust the pieces when needed. Lastly, there are numbers that allow the workers to know which piece goes in which slot. When using it, workers shut the box and latch it. Then, using the numbers, they place each black piece in each slot. Next, they take the metal rod and the top piece and they put them together. Then at the top there's a hole and they slide in the rod. Some pieces may need to be adjusted. Then when it comes to the squishy black piece, they have to move it around a little bit to find how it fits in. And then they have to keep their hand there as they push it down the whole way. Once it is all the way through, they unlatch it. They can then take it out, add the bottom piece, and it's done. This is Ben. He works with Opportunity Partners. He gets to put the blow darts together. When he goes through this process, he has trouble with piece 4, the rubber handle. It also takes him a long time to line up all of the pieces. All of the other employees have the same problems. I'm hoping that with my device, they can assemble the blow dart quicker and easier. When Ben started to use the buckle box, he was a little confused and needed a little help. But after he got it, he was smiling. He thought that it worked perfectly and that it would help him with his job. I hope that all of the other employees at Opportunity Partners that make the blow darts will find it just as easy and fun to use. He really enjoyed the buckles, and thus the buckle box.